Hello guys, welcome to Aniceto Nanyo's YouTube channel and you are watching our 51st live stream music recital. Today, you will be witnessing music performances from my piano and voice students. And now, please welcome Dian.
Hello everyone, my name is Dian, a piano student at Nano's Music Studio. I am from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. A special shout out to my mom who's at home, my dad who's at work, and my friends like Athena who are supporting me for this recital.
hand to Dian. All right, congratulations, Dian. And at this juncture, we will be moving on to the awarding of the Certificate of Achievement. So may I read the content? Certificate of Achievement. This certificate is proudly presented to Dian Claire C. Ramos for having successfully completed the Piano Adventures Level 2A, Sight Reading, Theory, Lesson, Technical Artistry, and Performance. And Dian has earned 3 stars. Let's give a hand to Dian. And for dynamic and active participation in this 51st season live stream music recital, given this 21st day of March 2025 at Nanyos Music Studio, Jeddah, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Signed, Edna L. Nanyos, MacDDS, LPT, and yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr., MBA, LPT. So this is for you, Dian. Hold it. And one more thing, we have a special certificate coming from the Piano Adventures exams. Let's give again a warm applause to Dian. So Piano Adventures exam and Nanyos Music Studio, this hereby certifies that Dian Claire is officially awarded the Level 1 exam certificate for excellence in theory dated 26th of February 2025, Faber Adventures, signed by Nancy Faber and Randall Faber, and of course, yours truly, Aniceto G. Nanyos Jr. So this is for you, Dian, for completing the theory exam. So hold it. And of course, we want to shout out all our viewers out there. Thank you so much for the mom and dad of Dian. So we are happy that they are still in touch with us. They are engaged with us and all the friends of Dian. Thank you for the support. And of course, we are not be here. Nanyos Music Studio will not be here without the support of the parents and of course the students. And thank you guys for tuning in and stay tuned. Don't go away for our next performer. Okay, bye-bye and God bless you all. Congratulations once again, Dian.